Twinkle, 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 twinkle tunes. E is for apple, red and sweet. B is for banana, a yummy treat. C is for cherry, small and round. D is for dates, from the ground. E is for egg